Aiboan, secondary education modernization project in Sri Lanka, and Microsoft Sri Lanka conducting software competition for teachers and students in every year. You can see year 2007 and 2008 selected number of softwares in Central Province in this video clip. You can use it for educational purpose. One of interesting software is Soramandali. It is a learning tool for learn Eastern music instrument. It can be used to easy and fun way to learn music. You also can learn Eastern music in which using without music teacher. Let's go there and let's go there and how to use that music instrument by the computer. Right. First of all, you have to click on the start button, then you can select all programs. You know all the things on how to open the software and your computer. Then click on the software that I already installed in the computer. It's called Suramandali. Then you can click here. Then you have to select. You can you have to click on continue to open the software to a keyboard. Right. Then if you want to let's follow a step. If you want to play some of the music, then you have to select new. Then you know that you know that six tal in music, call in English three tal, bimto, lavani and dadra. Then you have to select one of six. Then if you want to select three tal, then after that we have to type or the rows there. We want to then just type 10. Then press enter. Then you can see blank notation here. Then you can type using computer notes, S for sir, then R for sorry, then you can space and then use space, then R for then space, G for ga in Sinhala, ga, space, M for ma, then click on this, then D for then space, after that N for ni. Then you can play using that notation. Click on if you want to play this notation, you have to click on play button. Right, you can hear sounds also there. Listen to sounds, please. Right, it's okay. Now let's see how complicated notation will be running on this computer or playback. Then you have to go new, then load. You can. There are so many Sinhala songs. Sinhala songs there. It has already saved in this computer. Then you can select. You know the song. I think it's very familiar for us, especially Sinhala people. You know. You know. Peradini is called. Then you can hear sounds. Click on play.
And someone's still working on it. Please hurry up. And for some who already done it, just leave your YouTube click on the monitor. So people can go and check out the video clips. Okay, just leave it on and have it on the monitor. And we will have a break.
And I think you can hear sound music there. Right, right. I think there's enough time for that. We should because there are so many things to introduce this about software. Then we will later some of these things in the near future. And just I exit from him because there's no time for that. I'll exit for now. Right. So okay. Stay with music and thank you for very
So for
much.
example, hungry, thirsty.